all the world. Got to be in the ballpark there. So yeah, well, good advice. We've changed the loop to the bottom. I'm just sort of put the capacitor at the top and just adjusting the loop closeness, and it's amazing. Put my hands on that and it doesn't really make any difference at all to the Nano VNA. It's amazing what actually does make a difference.
See something came off Japan? Kilo 4 Delta Golf Japan. Kilo 1 Delta Japan 59 kilo. Thank you, good luck. Zulu Mike 4 Tango. Zulu Mike 4 Tango, contact.
Pretty Mickey Mouse, but just testing. But results seem not sure where this person is, but coming through pretty well.
Gear like that there. On the home brew, my own antennas for the use as well. We've got a road trip coming up to Cockdogger and then off to Cairns. So in June we're heading off to Cairns, and we've got about it's roughly 8,000 odd kilometres of pretty clean road to drive down at this stage. It's going to be around the 8,000 k mark. So that'll be interesting. Now, hopefully the price of diesel sort of stays down below the $2 mark. That'll be interesting. Otherwise it'll be relatively expensive trip going to caravan that distance there. But we get pretty good fuel economy with our van. It's usually in the 13-14 range, so we don't do too bad with that. So that's one thing that's in our favour for the next road trip, Brendan. VK3.
All the world.